Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. In this video I'll be sharing few microwave food hacks or quick recipes which can be made in few minutes and with minimal oil. First one is okra fry or kurkuri bindi. Take slit okra in a bowl. Add gram flour, rice flour and all the spice powders, salt, oil and mix well. Now on a microwave safe plate or bowl, spread few drops of oil, spread the okra evenly and microwave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix once and microwave for 7 to 10 minutes. Kurkuri bhindi is ready. Next is omelette. In a microwave safe bowl, add veggies and spices of your choice, egg, little milk and whisk it well. Microwave it for 2 minutes. Spongy masala omelette is ready to serve. Masala peanuts. In a bowl, add all the ingredients and mix. Now add washed peanuts to this and mix. Washing it quickly just to make sure the surface is wet, don't soak it. Add few drops of oil and water and mix well. Now on a microwave safe plate, spread some oil, spread the peanuts and microwave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix and microwave for another 5 to 8 minutes or till it is done. Quick and healthy masala peanuts can be done effortlessly. Next recipe is a sweet treat for my little helper. Mug brownie. In a microwave safe cup or mug, take all the ingredients mentioned and mix well. Microwave it for 2 minutes and delicious brownie is ready. In microwave you can quickly roast makhana, peanuts, cashews, almonds, etc. All these recipes need minimal time and oil. Do give it a try. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos or recipes in the future.